Alrighty, good morning. Well, today I'm out here on the Petaluma River. Right now, I just left the Black Point boat launch. Oh, look, I might have a fish on. Nope, I just think I'm dragging bottom because I got a deep diver on. But I just left Black Point and I decided to come out here to our Petaluma River today. But I launched at the boat launch over there at Black Point, and I get down to launch my boat. Old Gus Vega was there. He didn't have much time to fish today, so he basically is just fishing off the dock there, trying to get some striper, which is what I'm trying to do too. So that's where we're at. I don't know, am I dragging bottom or what? I gotta check. Alrighty. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we're out here on Petaluma River. Right now I'm just drifting, getting ready to take off. I'm gonna troll with the rattle trap here. It's not really a rattle trap, but that's what I'm gonna troll with right now. Camera cover's kind of foggy, but it is what it is, so let's get going. Well, I am just doing a slow troll, and I ended up having to turn around because got snagged up in some grass. Ended up pulling out about 50-60 yards of line. So One good thing about this new boat I got is I can actually maneuver around to get where I want to go without being pushed past it or anything like that. As you can see, all you got is one pole out right now because you're in the Petaluma River and you're not supposed to be using more than one pole, which is okay because I need one hand to do the rudder with, and I'm using a deep dive, kind of like a deep dive jerk bait with a broken back, so it swims more like a live fish, but it's red and white, the old red and white striper lure, and I'm just pretty much just doing a slow troll. Hoping sooner or later I get me a nice little striper. That would be sweet. Get something on film today, that'd be awesome. But what I'm gonna do today is, like I told Gus back there, I'm just gonna do a slow troll where I want to get to for now. And once I get there, I'm probably gonna anchor up. And when I anchor up, I'm gonna try and use anchovies for a little while. And then I'll throw out a night crawler and see if I can't catch me some mud suckers. Or catch at least one mud sucker, get it on and get it out. And do a little live bait fishing. See how that works out. But I'm just trying to get up past this little point right here. And I'll probably get like right in this area right here, anchor up, and then cast back into the canal here and see what happens. I think this is the canal where me and Steve Grove went up and went into the dump area, Novato dumps, and we ended up catching a nice little 29-inch striper up there. Well, Steve did. I just kind of filmed and watched, which is okay. I don't mind that. At least one of us caught something that day. So yeah, it's basically what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm gonna get right in here. I'm gonna anchor up. I think I'll start out with anchovy, and then from there, maybe I'll try and nope, that's not a fish, it's a snag. So this is where I can turn around, go back and recover it. I had a feeling I might do this coming through the canal here, because because it gets a mud buildup in this one area right here. I may not get this back. There we go. There we go. Now see, it was buried in the mud. Look at that. That was buried in the mud. So I hit the top of the sandbar coming through there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this one away, get to where I want to anchor up. Are you kidding me? No, it's recording. So go ahead and get to where I want to anchor up. And then drop the anchor. From the looks of it, the tide's still coming in, so maybe I want to anchor up over there. See where this is gonna take me. Alright then, I guess this is where I'm gonna stay. Okay, so first thing's anchovy. I'm gonna do the anchovy. Alright, so got the anchovy. These are small anchovies. So I am just gonna rig it up just like I would a halibut. And get it out. So basically I ain't even gonna mess around and throw it out. I'm just gonna drop it. Now you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and give it a toss up in this area right over here. So we've trolled for a little bit. Now we're gonna soak some anchovy. See how that works. And if not, then I'll get close up to shore and catch some live bait, which is mudsuckers, and see how that goes. Other than that, chill. Alright, so I'm gonna get set, get headed up there, and then I'm gonna get this out. All right. And I'm just gonna troll up here a little ways, and because I've seen a couple stripers up here jumping, so I just want to see if I can't entice one to give me some play. Oh. Got fish on, baby. Got fish on. We got fish on. Oh, a little leopard shark. I'll be damned, little leopard. Not exactly what we're fishing for, but hey, that works. Just chill out, little dude. And it is not what we're fishing for, but it works. It's a fish on the camera. Get my pliers out. Where are they at? Another right here somewhere. I'm gonna do this without getting my hand in my... Ah, damn it. See if I can do this without pliers. Which I don't think it's gonna happen. I think I got him on top and bottom. So let him hang out there for a minute. Let him hang out there for a minute while I get my pliers. There they are. Oh, come on. Excuse me. This pole's all tangled up and everything. All right, little dude, we'll get you out of here. Stop biting down, you'll be okay. Get one side at a time. All right. All right, little dude. There he goes. All right. Hey, we got a fish on. That's what counts. I really didn't like all the hassle getting him off the hook, but you know what? It was fish on. Well, that was my first Petaluma leopard shark. Petaluma River leopard shark. Yeah, I've never caught a leopard shark in the Petaluma River before, so that's a new one for me here. Too bad it was so small, because I'd like to have more of a fight to it, but hey, it is what it is. And I think the canal me and Steve went up in further that way. I think this leads up into that lagoon up in there. Which I might go ahead and do a little trolling up in there. I might put on a shallow diver and just troll up in there and just see what happens. You never know. Might get lucky. But for now, I'm gonna sit here and soak an anchovy and see what happens. All right, so ever since the little leopard shark, I haven't gotten a bite. So I'm gonna go ahead and rig up, do a little more trolling, and I'm gonna go up the canal here just to see what I can hit. So I'm gonna go ahead and reel in, get rigged up, pull anchor, and head up the canal. Well, current's still moving in pretty good. I moved up here in the sloughs for a little bit. I actually trolled all the way out from the river up to here. Not a thing. So I'll sit here for a little bit and I got some new cords for my GoPros, 6-foot cords, so I can keep them plugged in. But I didn't bring them today. I didn't really just kind of want to come out here and relax. I didn't even know if I was gonna make a video today, but I said to hell with it. It'd be kind of nice to get at least one striper today. Everybody says they're catching them, but I mean, I've seen a couple jump, like I said earlier. But as far as hooking anything, the only thing I hooked so far is that baby leopard. And I don't really know how deep it is up there, so I don't really want to push in there too deep, too far, because that's all I need to do is get stranded at low tide. That would suck. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear the bikes over at Infineon Speedway. I don't know if they're racing or if they're just practicing. But Infineon's off over that way. Ugh. Yes, I'm tired. I worked all night. Ah. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the bait up because I threw it into the current there, but I'm not getting anything. I'm not even getting a bite. And I'm gonna throw it over in the slack tide over here and see what happens. So I'm back out main channel of the river. Right here is the mouth the channel I just came out of, and I'm out here. All right then. Well, I've sat here for long enough. I am going to troll back out to the main river using a red and white rattle trap and just see how it goes. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm an impatient person, and I just can't handle it. And if the bite's good, the bite's good. If it's not, it's not. But I can't stand being in one spot for too long if I'm not getting bites. All right, so let's get to moving. Well, I didn't even know this old bridge still worked. I guess they're testing it. We'll anchor up here and see if we can't catch it moving. Guys are out there working on the. There it goes. Getting ready to move again. I'll go ahead and drop anchor right here. See if we can't catch it moving. Current's moving pretty good through here. And mind you, this is the old bridge, train trestle bridge by 37. This damn anchor ain't catching, just dragging. Must be all mud right here. Yep. Uh-oh. I'm in trouble. Oh, don't want to pull. Damn it. Oh well. I need to put this down. I'm in trouble. Well, that was a holy shit moment. Oh, there it goes. And that seriously was a holy shit moment. Damn, rudder decided to be a stooge. I had no idea that bridge still worked. That's pretty damn cool. The old Black Point train trestle. Kind of curious and wonder why they're making sure it's working. If anybody knows why they got to try to make sure it's still working, let me know. Alrighty, later. So to finish that off, I'm out here in the main channel of the river now. Moved out because I dropped my anchor right in this area right here. It was only like 3 feet deep, and we're at high tide. So I'm like, nah, I think I'll move out a little further. So I dropped my anchor again. It was more like 6 feet deep. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what it is about Petaluma stripers and me in a kayak or a boat. They just don't like me. And the only thing I've gotten all day long was that little leopard shark, which kind of surprised me. But I hope to come out here in the main part of the river again. I just drop an anchovy and see what happens. So that's where I'm at right now. All right, so I pulled up anchor. Still got a mud sucker on, but I'm just gonna let it drift. I'm just gonna sit out here and drift. That's all I'm gonna do. And I don't get it. I've been seeing stripers jump everywhere, but nothing. I really don't get it. But it's still working. Thought I was getting a bite over there before I pulled anchor. Actually, right as I was pulling anchor, I thought I was getting a bite. But when I pulled the mud sucker up, nothing. Didn't have any marks on it or nothing. So, it is what it is. Oh my God. All right, talking to the phone again without recording. All right, so I trolled all the way. If you can see that tower there, down there, that tower down there. And this is the 37 bridge. So I trolled all the way back from that tower. Used 2 different lowers to troll with. Not a damn thing. Ugh. So hopefully there's something laying in this hole here. This hole's about 16, 17 feet deep. And during the wintertime, I didn't catch a damn thing. Not in this spot anyway. So this is the end of summer. And everybody's been talking about how they've been catching stripers down here trolling. And I haven't. I don't know what it is. Petaluma River and me and stripers. Me from the shoreline, yeah, I have no problem catching them. When I come down this way, not a damn bite. Nothing. Besides a damn baby leopard shark. So I'm gonna sit here for about I'm gonna go half an hour, 45 minutes. See what happens. And if not, then I'm gonna go ahead and go in. My truck's sitting right there. Somebody's pulling their boat out right now. That's where I seen Gus this morning. I'll probably call it a day. I'll get back to the truck. I'll give you the end of the day thoughts. Other than that, Still at it. All right, the one thing I will definitely say about this boat, it does not want to go against the tide. Fighting the tide, this thing is a turd. And I like the boat. I mean, it is stable as hell. I can stand up, walk from back to front. I can actually stand up and take a leak out of it. But man, it catches the wind. Fighting the tide is crazy as hell because I'm going against the tide right now. And I don't feel like I'm even moving. But I'm slowly getting there.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.